Look at this. This is crazy. It's like... Hey Princess Squad, it's T
and Sparkles,
and today we have a huge haul for you guys. We got from random different stores.
Yes.
We were like fidget shopping, hunting, and we got some goodies.
Yes, we went on like a shopping spree.
Yep, so we went to Walmart, Target,
Five Below, and Dollar Tree.
so let's see what we have inside. I'm gonna take out everything.
Yes.
So from Walmart, we have these two items. Here we have these cute Pop-It keychains. And from Target, ooh, look at this. I think Target so far is my favorite. We have a giant Pop-It extra large. We have some monkey noodles. We also have pop tubes.
And from Five Below, I'm sure you guys heard of the Squishmallow release. Got some super, super cute ones. And from Dollar Tree, check out this haul.
So cool.
So these, I felt like they're
Creepy.
monkey noodles, like super cool texture, and they stretch. Of course, we got the Pop-Its, this like octopus, and this dinosaur, and last but not least, our Squishy Pals.
And according to the bag, it looks like it glows, you guys.
Yes, a plus.
Super excited. We have like a whole bunch of stuff to try and open up. But I say we go with this Pop-It extra large.
Yes, I'm dying to find out because that is my all-time fave.
Yeah. So normally this brand has really good Pop-Its. We have like a smaller one that's like tie-dye. Oh, right here.
It's somewhere back here.
Right
Yes.
here. And these pop amazingly, you guys. Just listen. That was amazing, you
Yes.
guys. Let's try this one. It's 3 times the size of the original Pop-It. And this brand has amazing quality Pop-Its. So it's the same one as that one, like I said. It's tie-dye also.
Oh, how pretty.
Look how pretty. Gotta take it out. That's the back. This is the front. And let's test out this big one. Whoa, that sounds amazing.
My poor fingers. It's super, super good quality.
Yeah, it's like super sturdy, not flimsy, like it's good. Like I give this a, well, it was $20 by the way, full disclosure. That's like the only thing that I'm kind of like, bit compared to the other Pop-Its. But it's really good quality and I really like the color. I give it like a 9 out of 10.
I would have to say I give it a 10 out of 10 because it does what it's supposed to do. Release.
Keeps me entertained. Okay, next up, we're gonna open up these pop tubes. So, if you guys didn't know, there's a section at the dollar spot. I mean, there's a section at Target called
The bullseye section.
Yep. And it's like stuff from $5, $3, $1. So I wouldn't say it's the dollar spot, but these are $3 each, and it comes in a pack of 4. So it's pretty good, not bad at all. And they have 2 different sets of color. Let's test it out. All right, so
Look at this.
this is crazy. It's like,
good size.
yeah,
I'd say.
it's a good size. I mean, for $3, for 4, pretty good. Next up,
Monkey noodles.
at Target, bullseye section.
$3, which I thought was a deal. So let's see.
And the textures on these are like different from like the regular.
Yes.
So these are the ones we got from Five Below. And we can check out the texture. It's just regular and normal and plain.
And these, of course, We have all different textures for sensory reasons. Super cool. This actually reminds me of like a centipede. Look at it.
Oh my goodness. Ah!
It actually
That kind of creeps me out.
pretty awesome.
Like, kind of creepy, but kind of cool.
I feel it. It feels so cool.
There's definitely texture on here.
And even this one, it has like the little bumps. And these have like the stripe. And they're super thick and they're super, super stretchy. Look at that.
They're like pretty good quality. Reminds me of like a workout band.
It really does. And it's like,
just your muscles.
and it's thick, you guys, for $3.
Pretty good.
I'm giving this a 10.
I agree. 10 out of 10. Next up, you guys, from Five Below, they had like a huge Squishmallow release, and we went, and it was insane.
So crazy.
Like the line was so long.
And the grabbing was real.
Yeah, like they had them in these bins, and they were like grabbing. So I was grabbing, and she was grabbing.
I know
and
what I was grabbing. I was grabbing.
we were grabbing something. But luckily, I got what I wanted. The pineapple. You guys know I love pineapples. Super squishy. And her name is Maui. Of course, helping. What did you get?
So I thought this watermelon is super cute. Let me see what her name is. Her name is Lena. And I also got this avocado toast. And what is the name on here? Sinclair.
You
So
love
cute.
avocado toast.
I do. It's my favorite.
So
So
it works out. But yeah, these are super cute, and they were only $5.
So now we're gonna review these poppets from Walmart, which are like, I feel like it's a super cute size because it's a keychain as
You
well.
put it on your purse, your backpack, your belt loop.
Carry it all over.
Exactly. And you know what? I feel like there's not a lot of fidget items or fidget toys at Walmart. I feel like we go and we're barely seeing.
I know, and I've seen like tons of videos, and I'm sure you guys have too, but it took us forever to find these, especially this SpongeBob pineapple
It
one.
was the last one. And you guys, she had to like crawl underneath like this aisle, and it was like hiding in there. It wasn't even like on the shelf.
I did the things we do so that we can review these.
Yep. So let's
Insane.
open them up. All right, my keychain looks like this. Super
How
cute.
adorable.
It says SpongeBob at the top.
And check out this JoJo Siwa bow.
Let's pop it and see what happens.
Next up, these centipede monkey noodles that I've been dying to test.
Creepy,
and review.
creepy.
The colors are so pretty, right up my alley. Totally dig the colors. Good job, Dollar Tree.
Pastel, but let's test them out and see if they're stretchy or if they're gonna break on us.
Let's see. I mean, it fills and stretches really well. I mean, look.
Oh, they look so creepy.
Creepy, bouncy, stringy.
I mean, let me see one of these. Like, look at this. It has like little dots like on the back, and it has like a face too, I think. Look, it has a face and I don't know, fangs, teeth, eyes. And it has like these little dots. It's like definitely like a centipede. Like, look how, ooh, I don't know how I feel. Next up, did you guys know that Dollar Tree sells Poppets for only $1? Like,
You heard us, $1.
$1. Like, they are hard to find because I feel like they're in the back, to be honest. But once they bring them out, it was like a lot.
A whole bunch.
A whole bunch, but we only got like 2 to show you guys. This one's in a dinosaur sort. Can't even talk to a dinosaur shape. And I had to get green. I mean, green just reminds me of like a dinosaur color.
And I got this pink octopus because it's so cute. I love the little cute octopus.
Yep, and so let's put it to the test and see how it sounds. Oh my goodness, you guys.
It popped so loud and so much better than the pineapple and the bow from Walmart.
That costs $3.88 each, and it's smaller. And these are only $1 from the Dollar Tree. I am like impressed. Like impressed.
No questions asked.
10 out of 10. Like, way to go, Dollar Tree. Like, and it comes in like fun shapes, and like I think there was like a circle one, a square,
A whole variety
like
of
a dog,
different colors. Yes.
a unicorn, like different ones, but
Squares. I mean,
oh my goodness,
a huge variety and in different colors.
if you see these at Dollar Tree, you grab them. Like 10 out of 10. Like, it's not even that flimsy. Like, and it pops so good. Last but not least, you guys, these glow squishy pals. Like, I don't know what it is about these squishy, stretchy pals.
They're all over. Everybody loves them.
Yup, they have them at Five Below. They have them at Dollar Tree for $1, and these glow.
Yes.
So let's open them up.
Can't wait to see them.
And check it out. Come out, friends. They feel so soft. Okay, so what animals do you think these are? Is that a pig?
I believe this is a pig.
I think this is a bunny. Oh my gosh, let me turn it around. Squish, 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 squish. Cute. It stretches. And let's see if they glow. Let's see if we can show you guys. Oh my goodness, they glow. Oh, it looks, I can't believe you can actually see it on camera. Like, it's so adorable, you guys. Look for $1. No doubt, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. It's so cute.
Okay, you guys, let us know which one your favorite fidget toy or squishy is from like our giant haul. Like, leave a comment because I want to know which one is your favorite. I mean, there's so many to pick from. If I had to pick, I think I'm gonna say this one. Oh no, I love the yours.
I'm gonna go with these. They're
Oh
my favorite.
What?
I love the color.
You know what we should do one day? We should like put it in your hair one day and see if it like curls. Can
Oh
you
my
imagine?
gosh.
Look.
It's gonna get tangled all up in my hair.
How cute, you guys. Not really, but you know. I'm kidding you guys. So follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram at
PrincessSquad.official.
for more fun. And remember to always dream big
Have fun.
and be kind.